of power generation in India. More than 60% of electric power is produced by steel plants in India. India has a large deposit of coal, fifth largest in the world, about 170 billion tons. Indian coals are classified as easy coal grade. Advantages: less initial cost as compared to other generating stations. It requires less land compared to hydropower plant. The fuel is cheaper. The cost of generation is lesser than that of diesel power. Major thermal power stations in India are primarily located in the coal-rich belt of our state. Ramagundam Super Thermal Power Station, located in Peddapalli, one of the in the region. Kottagudem Super Thermal Power Station, located in Bhadradri district.